it's really interesting. I think there's some sort of effect with that culvert. It's like you whistle into a Coke bottle or a jug, get that ooh, ooh, ooh kind of sound. Hang on. Seems to be going on here with that culvert, and it seems to depend on when the wind is really just right, because the wind right at this second is pretty strong, and I don't hear it. But when the wind was really gentle, I could hear it, and sometimes I could actually feel it. I could feel the bass vibrate in my chest, and I could feel it pulse from left to right side of the road, which is really, really strange. It's not something you really experience in nature, some sort of a stereo effect like that, where you get this woo, 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 vibrating from left to right. So that's why I think it's that culvert, because I think there's some sort of a wind created jug sound effect. It's really interesting. I hope the Rode mic picked it up. It's an interesting little spot. I stopped here earlier in the year. The snow stopped me, actually. It's really peaceful here. Quiet. There it is. Sometimes I hear it on my left, sometimes I hear it on my right. It's really interesting. Like I said, I hope the good mic picked it up, because that was every time I hear it, I stop talking. It's just so interesting. Now that's cool.